Hello everyone, it's Yuki. I think everyone has an experience to introduce yourself, but have you ever been in a place where people might not understand you? And they look at you in a very curious way. Today I'm going to show you a few Cantonese phrases to introduce yourself for who you are, where you're from, and how long you've been here. In this episode, you'll learn 3 important phrases to introduce yourself. I am, I come from, I have been here for. Hi, 我叫 Hi, 我係 both means I am. Hi, 我叫 Katie. Hi, 我係 Katie. 我係菲律賓人. Again, I will upload all the details on my website. The link is down below. Thank you for watching and see you next time.